Hi, my name's Jarrod Reece. I'm one of the corporate buyers for our millwork department. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about some of our millwork products. Start off with windows. We've got here a single hung window. Single hung windows are your most common and your oldest type of window that we have out there today. Obviously single hung meaning that the bottom sash will raise and lower to offer you some type of ventilation. Single hung windows are also can be used as an upgrade. So you've got aluminum windows in your home and you want to upgrade something a little bit more stylish, a little bit more energy efficiency. Aluminum or a vinyl window will do that for you. All of our windows come with a clear insulated glass and low E. Low E is a metal oxide, film of metal oxide that is applied to the inside portion of the double pane glass. You can also get a little bit more energy efficient and have low E and argon. Argon gas is actually a gas that is injected between two panes of glass that will also provide more energy efficiency for your window. Another benefit of a single hung window is you have fewer moving parts. Having fewer moving parts also means the longevity of the window will last longer, as well as air infiltration, less likely for air to move in through moving parts. The thing with a double hung window, obviously both sashes operate. You have a bottom sash that raises and lowers and a top sash that will lower as well. A really neat feature with some of our double hung windows is they provide a night latch. Those will be located somewhere right around here. What that does is that allows for that top sash to lower down to a certain level. That way warm air can escape through the top of that, therefore keeping your room cooler. The night latches are not to be confused with some type of security feature. They're merely just plastic pieces that are installed to allow you to lower the window to allow the warm air to escape. The greatest feature of a double hung window with both sashes operating is that they will tilt in for easy cleaning. Therefore, if you have an upstairs, second floor story home, both sashes can tilt in. That way you can get the outside of the windows clean. Both are available in new construction and replacement. Obviously, new construction windows has the nail fin already applied to it, whereas a replacement window does not. This will allow for much easier installation in a retrofit situation. Single hung windows are available in new construction and replacement. All of our stores offer single hung windows, however, double hung is not available in all locations.